When a customer buys a product on Amazon, one of the key things that he notices are the different batches that Amazon provides, like Amazon bestseller, Amazon choice, powered by Amazon, etc. But what if I say that the Amazon bestseller category is actually a scam and various e-commerce sellers are making money through this scam? So let's start this video. Before moving on, if you are new to this channel and you like this kind of videos and you are starting your new e-commerce journey, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we bring various videos regarding to e-commerce on this channel. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So Amazon bestseller batch is a batch that we are able to see in the Amazon website or app. It occurs on that products that are the bestseller in their own category, and the audience and the customer through this can check what are the products that the masses are buying, what are the products that people all over the world are liking it and are growing in the market. And for sellers like you, this will help as such that you will know what the masses want and you will know what is the demand in the market and you will know the current demand in the market. But here is the twist. While checking the Amazon bestseller category, I found a loophole. Before moving ahead, we have something exceptional for you. EasyOps is India's most efficient omni-channel retail management solution where you can save your time and money with EasyOps managing your business. Save up to the salary of 10 persons and build a smart business. And all of this is for free. You can enjoy EasyOps for free for lifetime. The link is given in the description. Now let's move on to our video. While checking the Amazon bestseller category, I found a loophole. Like what different sellers are doing is that they are listing their product in less crowded market, and which makes them the bestseller without any competition, also ranks them higher, and also this makes their product rank higher and also builds a trust between the consumers because of the bestseller batch. Let me show you with an example. When I search in Amazon for keyboard, I found various bestsellers. For example, this is the first bestseller that is in keyboard. Yeah, up to now nothing fishy, right? But let's move on. I found another bestseller while scrolling down where the bestseller is in keyboard and mice. Okay, first keyboard and mice, now keyboard and mice set. Okay, now it's getting started. Now let's see another bestseller. While I moved down to another page on Amazon, I found another bestseller in reversible keyboard. Now it is another type of bestseller in the same category, that is keyboard. I don't know how Amazon is approving this, but yeah, it is a information that you as an e-commerce seller must know, and also you as a consumer also know. So this is the video regarding that. Hope you understood the video and also gained some knowledge from it. And if you did, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like this video and tell me in the comments if you like this video or not. Thank you.